Invest just 1 minute, and the whole structure becomes clear. From upstream control rooms to high-pressure field operations, reliability is everything in the oil and gas industry. That's why global leaders like ARAMCO have continuously selected LS Electric solutions for mission-critical automation. LS Electric delivers robust PLC systems, secure industrial networking, and precise inverter control that stay stable even in the harshest operational environments. As an authorized LS Electric distributor in the United States, Polar Energy specializes in taking these proven technologies and integrating them into real industrial projects, exactly the standards demanded in oil and gas application. By combining LS Electric's global engineering excellence with Polar Energy's hands-on integration expertise, we deliver automation systems that are smarter, more connected, and built for long-term reliability. This is how modern industrial control is designed, executed, and optimized, providing engineered confidence from the field to the control room. For detailed setup, configuration, and programming tutorials, visit the University of Automation channel.